Ready to ditch the greasy mess and cook smarter, not harder? Discover the real truth about the best French door air fryer ovens that'll transform your kitchen. Today, I'm breaking down the absolute best French door air fryers you can buy. These aren't just product specs. I've spent hours with each one, poking, prodding, and definitely eating my fair share of fries and rotisserie chicken. Some wowed me. Others, well, you'll see. And trust me, there's one in here that'll be the game changer for your kitchen. Curious which one took the crown? Make sure you stick around. 7. Elite Gourmet ETO4510M. Let's kick things off with the Elite Gourmet ETO4510M, a classic example of big hopes packed into a spacious shell. And let me tell you, if you're looking purely for size, this thing is mammoth. You can roast a whole chicken, bake massive batches of cookies, or just air fry a week's worth of snacks in one go. The dual French doors make it feel upscale, and the setup, super simple, which is a big plus for folks who hate poring over manuals late into the night. The presets are straightforward, making frozen fries or dinner rolls as easy as pressing a button. But, here's where things get shaky. It's a bit bulky, and not to sugarcoat it, it hogs up a good chunk of your countertop, so if you've got a tiny kitchen, be warned 3. During my testing, I noticed that while it cooked a mean rotisserie chicken with crispy skin, some recipes, like meatballs that needed broiling, left me scratching my head. Sometimes, the heat just didn't distribute evenly unless I played with the settings or waited it out. And I have to talk about the cleanup. Yes, a removable crumb tray helps, but the inside corners and door frames? Oh boy, they catch crumbs and grease like magnets. The exterior can get quite hot, so be careful. I accidentally grazed my arm against the door once. Not fun. Where the Elite Gourmet does win points is the sheer value for large families or entertaining. But if you're after quick, even air frying or easy cleaning, you might want to keep watching. Number 6. Gourmia GTF7460. Number 6 on our list is the Gourmia GTF7460. And honestly, I wanted to love this one more than I did. Here's why. The design is sleek, the French doors scream Pro Chef, and the 17 preset functions? I mean, come on, air fry, bake, dehydrate, toast, pizza. The list is almost overwhelming, in a good way 67. It has a very roomy interior too, easily fitting a 12-inch pizza or enough chicken wings for a party. Real-world use though? Well, the controls are super intuitive, which is great. No endless cycle of pushing buttons hoping you picked air fry instead of pizza. And the air frying function is surprisingly good. Homemade fries and wings came out crunchy without the oil. For everyday cooking, it's genuinely a multitasker. However, here's the flip side. The exterior can get really hot after long sessions. I mean, too hot to touch, so if you've got a child running around, watch out 6. Also, while it saves counter space for what it can do, it's still a bit bulky, and if your kitchen is seriously cramped, this'll push it to the limit. Now, let's be real, those 17 presets are handy, but you may still find yourself tweaking the heat or timing for perfect results. And on the occasional test, I found a spot or two didn't cook as evenly as the rest. It's good, but not perfect. For its price though, I'd say it's still a good value, just not life-changing. Number 5. BLACK+DECKER T62D5-1SD. This item totally surprised me in the best way. So here's the deal. BLACK+DECKER knocked it out of the park with their crisp and bake tech. You get 12 cooking functions packed in, everything from air frying, baking, roasting, broiling, toasting, and more. I fired up a whole chicken, pizza, even just bagels, and each came out, honestly, pretty stellar. The air fry mode produces consistently crispy food, and the French door design, not just good looking, but practical. It makes removing food so easy. No more juggling hot trays, just pull both doors open and you're in. The windows are crystal clear for monitoring your bake without losing heat, which, is a bigger deal than you'd think. Now size-wise, it's in that Goldilocks zone. Big enough for family meals, but compact enough to not dominate all your counter space. I really enjoyed the included accessories. Baking pan, air fry basket, everything felt sturdy, made cleanup a breeze, and had me reaching for this instead of my main oven more often. What about the quirks? Well, the preheat time is not lightning fast, so have a little patience. Once it's hot, it's ready for action. For power users, just know it can take a bit longer to get to full temp than some pricier models, but hey, for the consistency and versatility, absolutely worth it. If you want reliability, intuitive controls, and results that will genuinely impress, the TO62D5-1SD delivers solidly in the French door air fryer world. 4. Midea MET26C3AST. Now this little oven is the definition of don't judge a book by its cover. At first glance, it's compact, almost minimalistic, but the inside, super spacious. I cooked entire meals, full pizzas, trays of cookies, Sunday roasts, and every single time the capacity just blew me away. It's got 10 cooking modes: air fry with 6 different options, roast, bake, broil, toast, pizza, reheat, slow cook, dehydrate, and warm. That's a lot, but what really stands out? The speed. Cooking is up to 25% faster, and there's this almost instant way it hits high temps. Air frying uses 90% less oil compared to tradition, so you get that golden crisp with much less guilt. The temperature and timing controls are super precise, letting me fine-tune just how crispy, melty, or toasty I wanted everything. It's energy efficient and quieter than most. Seriously, it barely makes a peep, even on higher fan settings. Cleanup is fast with the stainless steel and glass construction. Just a swipe and you're set for next time. On days when I needed something quick, the Midea performed like a champ. My only minor nitpick? The interface is classy, but less fancy touchscreen, more solid basics. So if you love gadgety bells and whistles, you might want something a little more high-tech. But for convenience, reliability, and everyday versatility, I keep reaching for this one. 3. Emeril Lagasse 4006750-2X. This air fryer is, in a word, impressive. Chef Emeril himself gives it his stamp of approval, and after using it, I totally get why. It's all about chef-quality results, and the 360-degree quick-cook technology genuinely makes a difference. Food is cooked evenly every single time. I'm serious. No soggy fries or burnt edges here. Pair that with 12 versatile preset functions, and you've got a machine that's ready to roast, bake, broil, air fry, toast, and even rotisserie. The rotisserie was a highlight for me. Juicy chicken, perfect skin, every Sunday. The digital display is clear, and with all the included accessories, crisper tray, baking pan, drip tray, you'll want to experiment with every recipe you can imagine. What I really love is the easy cleaning. Removable trays, dishwasher-safe parts, and a stainless steel body you can just wipe down. Guilt-free feasting, minimal elbow grease. Now, let's be honest, it's not without flaws. Sometimes you may wish for an extra long warranty or more rugged buttons, but in day-to-day use, it never let me down. For the home chef who wants that little bit extra, like I made this and it's perfect, the Emeril Lagasse air fryer oven delivers deliciously every time. 2. Calphalon TSCLTVFD2. Coming in hot at number 2 is the Calphalon TSCLTVFD2. Wow. From the moment I took it out of the box, I was impressed. It's on the larger side, yes, but the build quality feels premium, like it belongs in a professional kitchen. It's perfect for varied cooking tasks, fitting all sorts of pans and dishes with ease. Bake, air fry, toast, broil, whatever you're into, this oven tackles it, and more importantly, it does it well. My brownies baked evenly, my wings were crispy, and toast came out perfectly browned. The digital controls are a joy, precise, responsive, and literally no guesswork. The oven maintains heat beautifully, which, is half the trick to great results. People rave about its performance in toasting, baking, and especially air frying. The versatility is through the roof, and it makes every kitchen task a little faster and a lot more fun. Cleanup is straightforward. Removable trays and non-stick interiors just wipe down in a flash. Now, one thing to keep in mind, after preheating, you have to hit start again to confirm. It's not a deal breaker, it's just one of those quirks you get used to. Other than that, it's rock solid. Yes, it costs a bit more, but every meal feels like you leveled up your kitchen game. If precision and pro-level results are your thing, this is an oven you'll love coming home to. 1. Kalorik AFO 46045SS. This appliance is a culinary powerhouse hiding in a stylish shell. 10 appliances in one: air fryer, oven, toaster, broiler, grill, dehydrator, and more. The 26-quart capacity? I mean, it felt almost unfair. Roasting a whole chicken, baking a full-size pizza, or dinner for a crowd, all handled like a breeze. The TurboMax technology cooks up to 30% faster. You get the crispiest fries, caramelized meats, and beautifully toasted bread every single time. The temperature range is wild, all the way up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, so you can sear, roast, or bake to your heart's content. The digital LED display is a pleasure. 21 presets, single-pull glass French doors, and a sturdy construction throughout. Every included accessory, from the air fry basket to the rotisserie spit, feels thoughtfully designed and heavy-duty. But I won't lie, some users find the button interface complicated at first, and there's a high-pitched beep that, it really sticks out if you have a quiet kitchen or sensitive ears. Also, like any air fryer, placement is key since exterior parts can heat up. But functionally, I never once had to worry about uneven cooking. The capacity was unbeatable, and it brought out restaurant-quality results with minimal oil. There's always a bit of a trade-off with any kitchen gadget, but in terms of speed, capacity, and pure versatility, the Kalorik outshines the competition. If you want an appliance that can basically replace half your kitchen, trust me, your search ends here. Final thought. So there you have it, the real tested truth about the best French door air fryer ovens on the market. Let me know which one you're eyeing, or if you want to hear more hands-on kitchen reviews. Until next time, happy cooking.